As the Minister of Public Safety, do you know which weapon of opportunity is specifically used against women in cases of intimate partner violence and homicide?
Sorry, beg your pardon? What's the...
The specific weapon that is normally used in cases of intimate partner violence and homicide? Do you know which weapon that would be?
There are a range of weapons, including firearms.
And what is the number one?
Well,
Well, I can help you. According to the stats I have, 65 to 70%, it says hands contribute to violence against women by pushing, beating, or choking. And sexual assaults are up 76%. So do you know what weapon was used in the murder of Bailey McCourt?
Sorry, what was that?
Do you know what weapon was used in the murder of Bailey McCourt?
No, I'm not aware.
Okay. Well, it was a hammer. In the death of Bailey McCourt, since it was a hammer that was used, did she die by the actions of the hammer or the person wielding the weapon?
I would say that in many cases, or cases of intimate partner violence, it is an individual that is responsible. There are different weapons that are used in that context. And I would say that it is a combination of the individual who is using the weapon to cause harm on an individual.
So then you agree a hammer is an inanimate tool and can only do harm through the person who intends to use it to do harm? Is that correct?
Look, I'm not an expert, Ms. Cody. I would say that I'm here to talk to you generally about the work that we're doing to
I understand
ensure
that, but can you answer my question? It's a simple question.
Well, if I may, I appreciate where you're going with this, and what I would suggest is that...
Can you answer the question, though, sir, Minister? And all due respect, it's my time, and I think I'm asking a question. Can you answer it? Is it the hammer that does the killing, or is it the person behind the hammer?
It is a combination of both.
So the hammer can act on its own?
It is a combination of both.
So a hammer can come off a shelf and kill someone?
It is an individual who has the hammer, who can use the hammer in a way that can be very harmful.
So it's the person?
It is a combination of both.
Okay, but the person wields the hammer is what I'm asking you, which is what you're telling me.
Madam Chair, I've answered that question.
Okay. So given that Liberal policy in response to firearm-related violence has been to ban the tool itself, by that logic, as Public Safety Minister, will you be confiscating hammers next?
Again, I'm not here to talk about the compensation program, Ms. Cody. I'm here to talk to you in a broader sense.
But it has to do with public safety, sir.
Well, I believe that this issue has been litigated a number of times, and I believe that this conversation,
Okay, that's not answering my question, Minister, so in all due respect, I'll continue to the next one. Will your Liberal government admit that getting dangerous offenders off the streets is a priority instead of going after law-abiding Canadians with the gun confiscation scam to protect not just women, but all Canadians? Yes or no?
I want to thank the over 22,000 people who registered, 22,000 firearms that were registered within the first week. My question is to you, sir.
Are you willing to protect the women and all Canadians by going after dangerous offenders? Yes or no?
It is part of the job that we have.
Okay. So, Minister, a repeat offender who was convicted on child pornography was released early, rearrested for breaking his parole conditions, not once, but twice. He was then arrested a few weeks ago on historic sexual assault, then was granted bail again 2 days ago. This person was well known in Port Colborne. He played the organ in church. He played Santa Claus in community events. And he was a predator. Minister, in what world does the Liberal soft and crime revolving door justice system protect the public or our children? So do you believe criminals have rights when they're committing the crime?
I appreciate the concerns you express, and frankly, there are bills before the House where, if your party stop impeding, can correct some of those examples. I am, frankly, I would say that it is a bit disingenuous.
I'm sorry, that's the end of your time. With all respect, that's the end of your time.